ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್: ಸಾಫ್ಟ್, ಹಾರ್ಡ್, ಶಾರ್ಪ್, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್.
This eraser rubber is very smooth.
This metal is very hard.
Electrician knife is sharp.
Flower is beautiful.
Describing people: tall, short, wise, and silent.
Darshan is tall boy.
Rupesh is a short boy.
Adyappa is wise in his class.
Sriram is silent boy.
Describing places: cold, hot, dense, and beautiful.
Himalaya is very cold.
Thar desert is very hard.
Mandi is dancer city.
Bengaluru is beautiful city.